How to turn on Do Not Disturb mode on your Google Pixel 8a. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the Settings app. Now scroll down. Tap on a sound and vibration. Again scroll. Here you can see Do Not Disturb option. Tap on it. Now you can see Turn On Now button. Tap on it to activate the Do Not Disturb mode. When activate Do Not Disturb mode, you can see the circle on the status bar on your device. Here you can see who can interrupt, do not disturb people. Here you can select for messages and calls. Tap any option. Here you can choose the contact that can interrupt, even enable do not disturb mode. So select the contact, calls, go back, apps. Here you can add app that will show notification, even allow do not disturb mode on your device. At the bottom you can set a schedule for a sleeping event or the game dashboard settings. Here you can see display option for hidden notification. Here you can choose the notification when enable do not disturb mode. No sound from notification, no visual or sound from notification, or set a custom. Tap on a setting gear icon. Here you can see the custom restriction when the screen is off or when the screen is on. So just check mark the box you want to show when DND mode is enabled on the Pixel 8a. If you don't want to use, just tap on it to toggle off or turn off do not disturb mode. Swipe down the notification panel at the top. Here you can see do not disturb mode. Tap on it to enable on your device or tap on it again to turn off DND mode. So it's quite easy to change the DND settings or turn on or turn off the DND mode. That's it. Like it, share it.